Hi everyone, I'm back with another video on an Enphase microinverters. Once again, I'm not making this video to promote any brand or to sell anything. We have used this product, so that's why I'm just sharing my experience with you guys, as I did in my previous videos as well. Now, obviously, if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel, and also please do press the bell icon so that you get the update and a notification of the new videos as well. So you might have, let's talk about this inverter. You might have seen a lot of wall inverter which converts DC electricity to AC electricity, which we call a string inverter. But this little one goes underneath the panel, which changes the DC to AC over the roof as well, which means there is no wall inverter. But we need exact number of microinverters for the each panels. I've already made a detailed video about like how the microinverter works and everything in my Hoy Mills microinverters, which is manufactured in China, in one of other video. I'll give the link in the description if you want to know about that. But these are the Enphase microinverter. Enphase is a US-based manufacturer, which is a market leader in a microinverter industries. Company founded in 2006 and also entered in Australia market in 2012. So let's keep it short. Now let's talk about the benefit of this little device. Obviously, the first one, which is like working individual level, so each panel works independently. Secondly, more flexible design system. We can install on a multiple roof, on a different roof facing. If there is a space issue, you can actually even install the one panel. So good for a small roof or at a multiple orientation and a different angles also. You can see the monitoring of individual panels on your phone as well. No single point of failure. If the string inverter fails, the solar production will stop completely. With this microinverter per module, the solar production keep working even if the microinverter fails. So it works well in the low light as well. So most importantly, it's a game-changing technology if your roof has a shading or a partial shading issues, because each panel work independent. Now they are IP67 and a double insulated corrosion resistant polymer. If they're very safe and ready for any harsh environment outside on the roof. Safety wise also they are good, as on the roof they produce the low voltage AC power travels to your house, to your switchboard as well. It is also have a I would say rapid shutdown facility, so if in case any emergency it gets shut down immediately. It's a very easy to install, like a plug and play technology. You can just put the wires in it, easily expandable. If you want to add more panels in the future, you can easily add the more panels with the more microinverter. There is no doubt that efficiency of the microinverter is good as compared to the string inverter. As a panel in a string inverter, all the panels are linked together and the output of the entire system can be significantly reduced by the single poor performing panel or a shaded or an old or any dirty panel. Only disadvantage, I would not say it's a drawback, but you get what you pay for. It's a little bit expensive so if your house doesn't need that solution, or if you talk about, or if you are calculating the ROI, it might take a little bit more time to pay as compared to any other string inverter solution. Now, in fact, they are very big in America, and most of the half of the electrician uses this product only, because they believe this is the best micro or this inverter in the world. Warranty wise, Enphase offers the 10-year warranty for IQ7. For IQ8 they are doing 15 years, and it can be expandable from 20 to 25 years as well. Online you can purchase the extended warranty. Most popular is this one, IQ7, which launched in 2018, and after that they have launched a lot of variant, and now they have launched IQ78. It's a grid independent, which means the solar power system using IQ8 technology can continue to supply electricity to a household in the event of blackout. So even without a battery only, you can use that, but only in the daytime. But extra Enphase equipment will needed for that feature, which will also increase the cost for you as well. IQ8 is a more suitable for, I would say, commercial use, because it can take the panels up to 505 watt and above. Enphase also produces solar batteries, communication gateway, monitoring system, installer accessories, as well as some other energy related services. The company also making EV chargers bidirectional, which is coming in 2024. For Enphase batteries, they are also making batteries. I will make another video, a separate video for that. The only thing I know, it's a 15-year warranty, which is maximum in the battery market at the moment in Australian market. So whenever I use that, I'll make another one. Long story short, Enphase is considered the best microinverter manufacturer on the market. This is due to the solid track record, a low failure rate, higher quality, advanced system monitoring, and generally very good service as well. So hopefully you like this video. Thank you so much for watching so far. Stay tuned for the new videos and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.